Welcome to this tutorial on Python data science, exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis, also known as EDA, is an essential step in the data analysis process that involves visualizing, summarizing, and interpreting the data. Before we start, let's import the necessary libraries. We will use pandas for data manipulation and matplotlib and c1 for data visualization. Now let's load the data using the pandas library. We will use a sample dataset that contains information about different cars. To get a sense of the data, let's use the describe function, which provides summary statistics for numerical columns. Now let's visualize the distribution of a numerical variable, such as the car's horsepower, using a histogram. We can also use a box plot to visualize the distributions of numerical variables across different categories, like the fuel type. To analyze the relationship between two numerical variables, we can use a scatter plot. Let's plot horsepower against miles per gallon. To identify the relationship between a categorical and a numerical variable, we can use a bar plot. Let's plot the average horsepower by the manufacturer. Lastly, let's visualize the correlation between all the numeric variables using a heat map. With these visualizations and summary statistics, we can better understand the data and identify relationships, trends, and potential outliers. That's it for this tutorial on exploratory data analysis in Python. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.